I'm playing the guy Volt Texas now. I'm winning 2-0. See, Volt Texas, and it is raining. You're not allowed to play if it's unless it's raining. Got to play in clear conditions. I've invited him to party. I've sent him messages. He's basically still not answered me. He's still playing on his own, just scoring. Just been letting him score goals. I'm inviting him to the party, tell him to quit. So I've been inviting him from the start. He's not answering me. So clearly saw it was raining. Just read the game settings. You've got to play in clear conditions. It's not allowed to be raining. So yeah, it is a premium game. So if you refuse to replay, then you're going to get the loss.